Hi guys, Yuri here again. Today I was actually about to show you how you set up your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. And I recorded the video, but somewhere during the video the memory on my top-down camera got full, and for some reason he didn't record the part after that when I pushed the button record. And that is the most important screen, I think, because that shows the screen. I still have the image where you see me, but I mean, nevertheless, it's pretty useless to show you that video, I think, because it's only partially, and I don't think a lot of you guys would appreciate that. So instead, today I'm going to show you how you can transfer your files from another phone to this one. In my case, specifically from an iPhone to the S22 Ultra wirelessly through iCloud. Now, for that, I come from an iPhone 7 right here. This is my old iPhone. Of course, you cannot transfer everything that is on your phone. That is just not possible because the compatibility between Android and iOS is not that good, right? And everybody knows that. Now, to set this up, let's go and get to the phone. As you can see, I have already installed my fingerprint right here during the first tryout to record this video. But as you can see, I have my Samsung set up pretty personally with my logo and such. Now, you should go to settings and you have multiple options to do that. Like, I have my application right over here for settings, but if I scroll down from the top of the screen, I also have it in the top right corner here at the top. It doesn't matter which one you take. So you can go into the settings right like this. So now you should go and scroll a little bit down until you see accounts and backup. You tap that, and then you see here, I get a notification right now, sorry guys. If you want me to show you how I set up this notification screen, you can suggest it in the comments below. Now I should tap bring data from old device. It says transfer data from an old phone or tablet, including pictures, contacts, apps and messages. And this will not bring everything, of course, from the old device to the new, but the most important things that you don't want to lose probably are in there. So let's tap that. And we are going to receive data. You can also send data if you upgrade your phone and go to the next phone. Then you can do that, but we are going to receive data. Now keep in mind guys, I already have done this, so I won't record the whole process because it's already done with me. So if you tap on receive data, you can see you have a choice between Galaxy or another Android device, or an iPhone, iPad, or Windows phone as a source. With me it's an iPhone, so let's tap that. Now it says connect to iPhone or iPad. It says use a compatible Lightning to USB-C or USB-C to USB-C cable or adapter to bring your data. And then underneath it says don't have a cable or adapter, get data from iCloud instead. Now I do have a cable, but I will show you how you can do it wirelessly. So tap on get data from iCloud instead. Let me show you where that says here at the bottom of the screen right there. Let's tap that, get data from iCloud instead. Let's see. Okay, and now it wants me to log in my Apple account, so let's type this in. Give me a minute. So I tapped sign into iCloud. Now I gotta enter a verification code, and that is sent to my iPhone. I have to allow it. This is in Dutch, of course, but it will ask you to allow this. And now I get a code that I must enter here. So in this case, it's always a different code, so it doesn't really matter that I show you this. So 806 here, then 296, and let's tap done. Now it's verifying. Okay, now it says select data to transfer. And you have 5 different options. You have contacts, data from iPhone apps, images, videos, and documents. I want to have as much as possible, but the last 3 options only say last 30 days. And that's not too long. I assume most people keep their phones longer than 30 days. So the oldest images and videos probably are older than 30 days. So if you want to change that, just go and tap these arrows on the right side here. And then you can choose last 3 months, last 6 months, last year, or all time. I will tap all time because I don't want to miss anything. And I've had this phone for longer than a year. All right, now type transfer. Downloading your data from iCloud. And it says, we'll let you know when we're finished. In the meantime, enjoy your phone. So it says that at the top right here. And it says I can go to the home screen while it's doing its thing. Right? So now I can do my other things while it's transferring the data. That's pretty handy, right? So guys, I will do a lot more videos on this phone. It's too sad that the last video was messed up a little bit because there was a lot of information that I gave you on that as well. But that said, guys, I will see you in the next Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra video. I hope you stay tuned for that one. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video if you want to see more of this kind of footage. So thank you very much and see you guys next time. Bye. But somewhere where it says transfer data from an old phone or tablet, you can also, if you go, so guys, I hope you stay tuned for that one. Definitely this